Okay, so good evening, my dear friends from different parts of my great, wonderful country, Bharat. And I get a lot of calls every day. I get a lot of emails every day, and all people appreciate our this platform. Many people want to practice their English. They want to come here to practice their English. So our show is famous now in India, not only in India, in abroad also, because I got two or three emails from Brazil, Morocco,
Turkey.
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 That's great, sir.
Yes.
That's great, sir.
Congratulations, sir.
Congratulations.
I saw that message, Turkey.
Sir, congratulations, sir.
Yeah,
Uh,
thank you. So now,
So
without
you are
wasting our time, I would like to go to our today's anchor, Sheila Madam. So yeah, so now the program is in your hands. So please continue your program.
Thank you, sir. And sorry for joining late. It's my first opportunity to anchoring for hosting one show, and I'm very glad to this show.
Good evening, ma'am.
So, hello, welcome in, good evening, good evening. Welcome in Let's Talk in English with non-native English speaker. Today, I am your host, and we will we will start this program without the drop of a hat. Without a drop of a hat, I will start our program. Before that, I am giving thanks to our honorable sir who gave me this opportunity. Thank you, sir. On first stage of our session, I will invite Mr. Nageshwar sir to give us a welcome speech for today's session. Sir,
Uh,
now
thank,
screen is
thank you.
yours.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Uh, Following your passion is sometimes about being uncomfortable. Doing the things that you really requires
Hello.
you. Yes, ma'am. Doing the things that you really like, following your passion is always an easy, and it requires you to push your limits despite what others may say. Some will stay, some will go. Always remember, they don't define who you are. Let them stay, let them go. Never forget, you have to love who you are. And those who love the real you are meant for you. Good evening to everyone. Every day we are eagerly waiting for one thing, that is our beautiful platform. Let us talk in English with non native English speakers, learn with fun. No one is born happy, but we have the ability to create happiness and avoid stress by participating in this beautiful and amazing platform. We can institute English World, conducting by our noble, generous, and kind-hearted person, Mr. Prakash sir. So I heartily welcome you, sir, and the participants who are very ambitious, determined, and optimistic persons. A warm welcome, all of you, to our Weekend Institute English World. Let us talk in English with non-native English speakers and learn with fun. I can say definitely we will speak, become a good speakers of English. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir, Nageshwar sir, for your wonderful and warm welcome speech.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Means you gave us such a wonderful welcome speech, and you start our program wonderfully. So now I
Thank you,
will
ma'am. You're welcome.
request our great now I will request our great honorable sir sir to announce today's speaker because I joined this meeting lately. So can you please repeat the name of today's speaker, sir?
Yeah, Sheila madam,
Hello.
I have already sent you in your personal chat. So you can see a list of
Okay,
all
okay,
speakers today.
okay, okay, okay. Now, today our first speaker is from our first speaker is from Delhi. Now I will request Anuj sir to start his presentation. Sir, now ball is in your court. Can you please start your speech?
Uh, Thank you very much, Sheila ma'am. Good evening, sir. Good evening to all. As our today's topic is stress and stress management. So, first of all, I would like to give a small definition of what people think about stress. So, uh, as most people understand, uh, the the stress is everywhere in our life. It could be a small amount of stress, which help us to function effectively, or the too much stress. This type of stress is a reaction of excess process, pressure. It may come from a life event or our work we do in our life. It can be a professional work, or a feeling of being out of control. So stress often affect a human being's behavior. So the person who is in stress, he puts a pressure the person around him. It can be a family member. It can be a the person he works with in a official life, or a friend also. So I would like to divide the what are the reason uh, people the stress happen in their life. The first reason is the personal reason. In uh, the personal reason, the person sometimes feel bullying. If we talk about the school life, many students bullying the other student, like student join in school. They start bullying their on that way student. So day by day, the a person disturb that person, so he start feeling stress in their life. Or it can be in personal life, it can be a health issue. Some people feel health issue. If health issue in their life, they start taking stress in their life. And if we talk about a person, a married person, uh, if he face a situation like he had to take divorce, in that time he feel stress in his life. And I go to the second reason, the official reason. In official reason, some person feel
The time is up, sir. 3 minutes over.
okay. uh, so should I continue, sir?
Okay, but concluded, okay, in short time.
Okay, so the official reason is person, uh, he can't manage his work professionally. He 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 faced many problems because of his boss, or uh, so he had a fear to lose his job. He take pressure in his life. If we talk about how can we manage the stress in our life, so I will give only two reasons. We can keep keep ourselves busy in physical activities, which will help us to reduce the stress in our life. And uh, the second reason is good sleep, or taking our nutrition food. If we take proper sleep 6 to 7 hours in a day, or we consume nutrition food, that will also help us to get over from the stress. That's it, sir, for today.
Okay. Okay. So thank you, Anuj sir, for wonderful speech. I like especially your speech and your thoughts also. Now I will invite our judge. Now I will invite our judge to give feedback for our first speaker. So I would invite Jaya ma'am to give feedback to Anuj sir.
Jaya madam is not present. Jaya madam
Okay,
is
okay.
absent for 1 week.
Santa ma'am.
Yeah,
Okay,
Santa
then
madam.
I would invite Santa ma'am to give feedback, speak to our first speaker.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, all. Anuj sir gave a good speech on stress. He told us, he spoke about stress. Positive stress is good for the human being, but negative stress is not at all good to the human being. How they will face the problems with the stress, he explained, and he explained how the school going boy is facing the stress, and uh, an young man while taking divorce and some education official problems. How the youngsters facing the stress in their life. He explained very well, and he gave some stress management activities also. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving feedback to Anuj sir. Now I will invite Nidhi to for her speech on stress and stress management. Now, Nidhi, screen is yours. Nidhi, hello. You there, Nidhi?
Yeah, Nidhi is here. Hello, Nidhi.
Can you turn on your audio?
Okay, then you can invite next speaker.
Okay. I think Nidhi is not available, so I would invite Guru Bachchan Singh, who is English teacher and who is very enthusiastic person. So, sir, can you please share your thoughts on stress and stress management?
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah, you are audible.
Very good evening, everybody. It's my honor to be here before you. It is very interesting topic, stress management. First, I would like to speak some words on this topic. Am I allowed to speak, sir?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Thank you. Stress is a feeling of emotional on physical tension. It can come from any event or thought that makes you feel frustrated, angry, or nervous. People are facing stress everywhere, whether it is their homes, offices, or even while driving on the road. The world has become a very stressful place. In many cases, it is because there are genuine reasons for stress, and in some cases, it is because people do not know how to cope with stress. Stress is nothing but the incapability of the human mind to cope with the physical illness. Stress management is the only way by which stress can be coped with. There are certain regions of stress like the death of loved one, divorce, lose of job, how we can manage these stress, I would like to share some ideas how we can reduce exercise, take healthy food, and eat healthy food, well balanced meal, learn to manage your time effectively. And I would like to share my stress because a few years ago I was also in stress, but now I managed. If you allow me, then I can share my stress with you. Thank you, sir. Few years ago, I had a friend. He was my bosom friend, and he suggested me that there is a company. If you want, I earned money by doing hard work, and he suggested me that if you want to double your money, you can invest your money in that particular company, because he also invested his money in that company and he got double. So he suggested me, and I invested my whole money I collected by hard work. And
Yeah,
2 years
time is up, sir.
later,
Time is up,
that
sir.
company
Sir,
run away
Gurbachan, sir.
to take my
Yes.
whole
Excuse
money.
me. The time is up, sir. 3 minutes over now.
So yeah, you can complete in
Okay.
a minute.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay.
Yeah, Gurbachan Singh.
Can I complete, sir?
Yeah, in 1 minute, but okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. So that company run to take my money. So I was in stress 2 months, but now I managed all things. I think that no problem. If I alive, if I survive, then I can earn more and more. So thank you, sir. We can manage. If we manage, then we can come. We can come out from the stress. There is no problem. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Really.
Yes, wonderful. Thank you, Gurbachan Singh Sirji. Sir,
Thank you,
sir
ma'am.
shared with us realistic experience about stress and stress management. So now I will go. To our judges to give feedback. Santa ma'am, can you please give feedback to Guru Bachchan Singh?
Okay, thank you. Sir, Gurbachan sir told us his life, how he get rid of the stress in his life. A person or a company total his amount of money take away and run away from the town. Then how he came back, how positively he managed his tension and stress. He explained us. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Now I would invite our next participant.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
Hello. Hello.
Nah, she's audible.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Carry on. Carry on.
Okay, man. Okay, man.
Okay.
Carry on,
Okay.
ma'am. You
Okay.
are audible.
All okay, all okay.
Thank you, everyone, for supporting me. Now I would invite our
Ma'am, may
next
I?
participant,
May
Nidhi.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, I am
Now
available.
I would. Okay, sure,
Yes.
Nidhi. I would invite you to give your speech on stress and stress management.
Okay, so good evening to all of you. So today's topic is stress and stress management. We all know that in today's time, stress is a common problem. It seems in every person, in every it seems in every person. So there are many reasons for stress: overthinking about one thing, family disputes, financial crisis, career, and so there are many reasons for stress. And there are in today's time there are a lot of work pressure on our on us people. So we take stress today's more and more. So sorry. There are if we talk about stress management, stress management is nothing. It is a way to learn manage stress and overcome how to overcome stress. So there are some tips to help to overcome stress. Keep yourself busy. Keep positive attitude. Learn and practical sorry regular exercise, eat healthy, get proper sleep. So there are some way to overcome from stress. That's all.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Nidhi, for sharing your thoughts. Now, I would invite our next judge, and I will request Kalpana ma'am to give feedback to Nidhi. Kalpana ma'am, you there?
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Uh, as Nidhi has given nice speech, and he has shown us the solution, and she's uh, given speech grammatically also correct and nice speech. Thank you. Thank you, Nidhi.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you both of you. Now I will request next participant to give her speech. So I would invite Sarah to give speech on stress and stress management. Sarah, now coach is yours.
Thank you to me this opportunity, and good evening to all my dear friends, and good evening, sir. So today I'm talk about stress and stress management. So what is stress? Stress is a feeling of emotion and any other matter you what you disturb, and it is a it can come from any event or any matter what do not like you, and what does make you angry and frustrated, and then make you very nervous. That is a stressor. Then our every people have some stress, and it is only natural process, and there are three types of stress. One is uh, tension, second is a compression, and third is a searing. So what when do to overcome our stress? So I can explain that when we are in a stress, just chill down, and we know about why are you in a stress, because when you are know why are you in a stress, then you say your problem to any other who is very close to you, and when you are say this problem, then you feel better, and you feel very relaxed at time. So so that is the solution, and many people have a different stress, and like some job stress, career stress, and then etc. So people work is down and stress is up. uh, then you know the days ago our film actor Sushant Rajput get suicide because of stress. He is a very intelligent and he is a very genius, but he get a suicide, and he had enough money, I think more than enough, but he is not happy in his life. So he takes some medicines, but he do not manage his stress, and he last time he did a wrong decision, and he gets suicide. That's for I suggest to all of you, do not take this type of steps, because when you are in a very mental disturbed, then you just suggest to psychologist, and then you take a medicine, and suggest by him, and just follow them, and do not think very, because our life is very important, and our life is very valuable than stress. So then if you are a stress, of study or
Yeah,
some of
time is
work
up.
pressure,
Time
then
is up.
yeah,
Yes,
Minutes over.
madam, invite our
What?
judge.
Okay. 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 Thank you, Sarah. Your speech is awesome. Now I will invite our next judge, Nageshwar sir. You can give feedback to Sarah.
Thank you, ma'am. Sarah has spoke very well. She converted the real life story of Mr. The hero.
Yeah,
That's
Sushant
his
Singh.
name. But Sushant, we do not take that type of decisions because our life is very valuable. We have the ability to maintain, avoid, overcome the stress. She spoke very well. That's nice. Thank you.
Okay, excuse
Okay.
me now. Excuse me. Today we have
thank you, sir.
28 speakers. Today we have 28 speakers, and one more session is after that. So I request our all speakers who have not got their chance yet, so they will get chance in the second session. Okay. So you can connect with us with same ID and password when our session will be ended. Then after that we will have a 3 or 4 minutes break. Then you can reconnect with us with same ID and password. Okay. So yeah, Sheila madam, you can continue now.
Now, I will invite our next participant, Mr. Ashok Maurya. Sir, would you please share your thoughts about stress and stress management?
Yeah,
Now,
sure, ma'am.
ball is in your courts.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. And thank you, sir, for this opportunity. And good evening to all. Today's topic is nice. As we know, uh, earlier Sarah has explained how Sushant has committed suicide. So it is very necessary for us to uh, talk about this matter about stress and how can we handle stress. It is very necessary. So first I want to tell about what is stress definition. Stress is a feeling of emotional or physical tension. Uh, it can come from any event or thought that makes you feel frustrated, angry, or nervous. Uh, as we know, today's life is very rushful life. Everyone is feeling stress in every day, whether they are a student or they are in any profession. We are facing stress every time. Uh, so there are a few ways by which we can manage our stress. First one is we can, if we are feeling we are in stress, then we can try to talk to our loved ones. We can share our feelings with them that see, this is a situation and I am getting stress. So they can, by talking with them, we can overcome with the stress and keep positive attitude to everything. That whether it is good or bad, at the end of the day, we should be positive in every situation. Uh, and third one is exercise regularly. We can try this by in morning that we meditate and do yoga regularly. So in this way, we can get rid of stress. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Thank you, sir. Now I will invite to give feedback to Ashok
Thank
Maurya.
you.
Sir,
Thank
please.
you, ma'am. Ashok Maurya spoke well. So how we get rid of the stress? Because when we are in stress, we have to spend more time with our friends, with the group of people which we like very much. That is a fantastic moment. We will definitely avoid our stress. He spoke well. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, sir, for your
Okay.
valuable
Now,
input. valuable feedback.
Now, without wasting time, I will move to Pankaj. Now, your call, and please start your speech. Pankaj.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Good evening to all. Good evening, sir. So today's topic is very interesting and very useful for us because we know what's happening nowadays. Before some days, you all know that. No need to brief here. So today's topic is stress. From my point of view, it's my personal opinion. I used to find definition in my way, right? Every time. So for stress, I can say stress is a bigger part of tension. When we put pressure on tension and stress it, it becomes stress. From my point of view, right? So it's human nature, and there are lots of type of stress in our life presenting here. It may be lots of type of reason behind it. So we all know that what is stress, because stress is a silent killer. It's very dangerous for us. Internally, it killing our body, our physical and mental skills. It is called stress. And now I want to say about what is and how we manage our stress. So there is only one way to manage our stress, to divert our mind, or I can say, if I can say in other ways, if you get a proper education and ability to find out options, it is only one and